YouTubies, I'm here just with a little second video regarding the Sally Hansen nail polish strips. Actually this time I did a different design. I actually kind of started picking at the other one, so it was coming off and I did not want to have to step it, and I had so many compliments on it. Everybody was telling me how much they loved it, so I decided to take it off and do a different design with just the Houndstooth print to check it out. I did it a little different. I did 3 with polish and then 2 with the design, just to switch it up. I hope you all like my pictures and subscribe. I do plan on doing more videos, and don't mind my hair right now because I call this my twist braids. When I take it down, it'll be all crinkly and curly, and people think I have good hair and mix and stuff, the stuff like that. But if you all subscribe, then I will try to do a tutorial on it, and then I can probably take some pictures so you all can see okay, why is her hair like that and what is it gonna look like. But trust me, it'll be cute. But thank you for watching. Toodaloo!